Good day, everyone. My name is Shian M. Diputado, a tourism student at Metro Dumaguete College. Today, we're going to know about Miss Sheila May Amis on how she keeps her job in the long run, as well as on how she faced her challenges as a contact service provider.
So, hi Miss Sheila May Amis. Good day. My name is Shian M. Diputado. So, here is my questions. Describe the nature of your job.
Okay, so basically I'm working as a call center agent and we're dealing with a lot of customers and resolving their issues. So we're basically helping them with their issues. So yeah.
Alright. So, how long have you been employed?
I've been employed at Callphone for 8 months now, but it's not my first call center company actually because I worked in Teletech for 2 years and I parted ways with them. That's because I need to focus and finish my college.
Okay. When at work, with whom do you communicate most often?
When at work, I mostly communicated with my customers, of course, and if it's avail, meaning if there is no customers, I usually chit chat with my colleagues.
Which communication pathway do you usually use to communicate with your supervisor or co-workers, customers, or clients?
Okay, so when at work, to my supervisors, we do it like face-to-face communication, while with my customers, it's over the phone. So yeah.
Okay. Were there instances that you had difficulty understanding your customer, your supervisor?
Yes, of course, we cannot avoid misunderstanding with the customers, especially if like there's a lot of background noise, and also language barrier too, because English is not our first language, and so there are some words that I may not know or what's the meaning of those or what they are trying to say. So yeah.
Alright. So, what was the usual cause of the difficulty?
Usual cause of the difficulty is not understanding what their problem is. So, onset of the call, you need to make sure that you have understood what their issue is, or if you do not understand what their problem is, you should have it verified to the customer so that they can clarify it with you, and also you will know how to resolve their issue.
So, how did you resolve them?
So resolving their issue shows providing them the right, resolution of their problem. It's simple as that. But yeah, some problems are kind of complicated to resolve. So when it's hard for us to resolve the issue, we usually ask for our supervisor's assistance.
Alright. So, last question. What pieces of advice can you give to a student like me who aspire to be a contact service provider like you?
Okay, so my pieces of advice to those aspiring students who want to become a call center agent. First and foremost, you need to at least learn how to speak the English language. It's very important because you need to deal with the customers and they use the English language, and we all know that's our universal language, so you need to at least know how to speak English. It doesn't need that you are fluent with the language, because in the long run you'll be able to know how to converse in English. So yeah, it's just that you need to at least learn how to speak the language, and also you need to have a very long patience because you will be dealing with a lot of customers coming from different backgrounds. So having said that, you will be dealing with a lot of attitudes. So you need to have a long patience, and you need to prepare yourself for that. I think that's pretty much it.
Alright. Thank you so much, Miss Amis. I am very, very grateful for that.
Thank you.
Having our conversation with Miss Amis, I have learned a lot from her as a contact service provider. She taught us on how to deal with customers regarding with their problems or issues, and on dealing with different kind of customers with their attitudes pertaining to the work she's into. By this, it will help me learn about the nature of her job, so I myself will be prepared if someday I have this kind of calling. Thank you so much for watching, and to Miss Amis, thank you so much for participating, and thank you so much for having you here.